guess we can just come in like 2 inches on each side, maybe. Let's just call this 18.
It's just a 3.
Okay. Should we just call this counter 18 instead of 16?
Okay.
So we'll go to 21 here. And we'll go to 25 here. All the power tools. Getting ready for our first night in the van. Bunk beds. How's it feel?
Pretty good. I can like sit up like this and not touch the ceiling once it's up. Just touching some wall, but that's fine.
Yeah, we're at my dad's property making use of his lumber and tools. And I thought it'd be fun to sleep in the van.
The main reason is that the cabin we wanted to stay at has at least one big fat mouse. And the other option in the other cabin, the bed is very small. It's what, a twin?
I think so.
And
Slept in it last night.
there's a lot of spiders. This is also the first time that we're here on this property in like 3 years that we haven't slept in my Astro van, because that baby is about to be sold. I mean, we did more than this. It's just all kind of like scattered around in pieces, and
Some things are
assembled tomorrow.
glued and screwed and drying. There's lots of nice wood here. And
might
wood is
still
very
have to
expensive
buy-
right now.
Yeah, we might still have to buy one piece of like good, thicker, expensive plywood, maybe. But not more than that. And then like one very thin, cheap kind, which we used for this area. But
Thanks, Dad.
okay, it is day 3 of us being here. Doesn't look like we've done too much, so, but a little bit. So those 2 walls, they're not attached yet. We're gonna paint them first. We installed the bed slats, which is where we slept tonight, which is very cozy. We prepared to cut out the right size to make a little shelf that goes here into the back, just so that we don't waste that space. It'll have like 2 little legs, and in front of the legs there's going to be like a little thin wall to kind of protect the battery system that is just going to be attached with magnets, so we can like just take it off if we have to access it, because this is just so much going on and I don't want anything to like bump in there. So yeah, that is that. Then we just finished, or Kevin finished, those 2 pieces. That's basically going to be the base of our storage area here for our closet. And yeah, and right now, so we still have scrap pieces from what was in here, and we're using those. So we measured the height and cutting them out, and then we're gonna see if we have to adjust the curve. And yeah, and then we'll have one big wall there and there, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll probably go home and do some painting and staining and stuff like that home. That's how it looks from the front. And earlier I did a lot of thinking how this is gonna work with the bench and how we're gonna extend the bed. Here are some very nice drawings. Yeah, we'll still have to talk about this. Yeah, how we actually want to do it, but yeah, it's just a lot of staring and thinking, and of course measuring. We are back at the property, and second time, probably not the last time, but the last time for a while. And wow, we're just trying to get as much done as possible. This is the weekend of the heat wave, but yeah, we're out in the woods here, and it's nice and pretty bearable still. And yeah, this is status quo. We're finishing this little shelf over here, and then the big shelf that goes here. And we're hoping to get some of the bed stuff done, the bed slats, and some countertop stuff. And maybe even more, we don't know yet, we hope. Are you guter Dinge?
Yeah.
So this is our battery stuff to protect all this stuff, like from like stuff moving from there to there and all that. I made a little flap thing that connects with the batteries. That connects with the magnets there. And yeah, easy to remove if you want to do something there, and pretty lightweight. Now we're gonna finish this, like put some like pieces in the corner to kind of hold it up there, because this is a little bit awkwardly cut. But it'll work. This is all secured. This is the base of the shelf here. You can't hear anything, can you? So yeah, I'm finishing the sides, and then I guess we'll see how we're gonna attach those sides, and like with some beams and also a little roof piece. I don't know how far we come today. It's like, what time is it? I don't know. 6-ish. Still plenty light out. This is how it looks from here. Very pretty. But you know, it's gonna be great for like camping chairs, or just something long, or you know, not long. How's it fit?
It's hard to say exactly.
Oh, should we just leave it?
Huh?
Should we just leave it like that?
I feel like we should.
Maybe we should put the other side up and see if it's kind of level from side to side, so we can utilize those, the shelf things. 9 o'clock, and the end of day 2 working on here. And yeah, it's a bench, not fully done yet, but, and here are the slats, not connected yet because, just because, more slats, and this. So yeah, day 2, productive, even though we had a little swim break. We have one more day, not a full day, just kind of like a half day, but I hope we get some more important things done.